What up, YouTubers? I am back. My hair is, I think, a little messed up. Oh, well, it doesn't look messed up. So I'm gonna be back to playing Fridge Ball. So let's get back to playing Fridge Ball. Now we'll just adjust it like that, something like that. I'll keep it there. Before I do anything else. Oh, that was bad. I'm stupid. Okay, so let's see what goes on. Okay, so let's see if I can get some really awesome stuff. Okay, so Lakers beat the Celtics. I think all of you know that already. So yeah, got a little cut on that toe. I just don't want to show you guys. Obviously I will not show you guys because I ain't stupid. So I'm gonna play a cool song. It is. I'm gonna go through 4 rounds. So back to Fridge Ball round 1, and then the final round will be round 4. It'll be 5 rounds. 5 rounds. Because it's going to be really cool. I'm going to end it with a really cool song called Survive by Sick Puppies. That'll be round 4, and the final one is going to be You're Going Down by Sick Puppies. So let's get this rolling. So first song will be Should Have Known. Let's get it rolling. I'm watching Transformers, and let's bring that down. I think you guys saw that. I was a little scary walk coming back. So, that was round one. Songs will be changing. Songs will be changing. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You guys have to watch Crazy Kobe Bryant then. Freaky hilarious. Watch it. As always, I always preview a video before I upload it, so I'm going to do that with this one. But by the time you see this, I've already previewed it, and I've probably already uploaded it, obviously. So yeah, enjoy this video, and I hope you guys enjoy my awesome fridge ball skills. And yeah, peace out.